People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, we're moving into nonsense November. Because just when you think, alright, October was spooky enough, we've heard about all kind of shootings where it's not like no 1 or 2, where you're about 7, one place, one time, where you're about 11, one place, one time. But then we say, you know what, new month, make us see if something can look different. Nope. Here comes Westmoreland. See, we're getting information that shooting took place in the White House area of Westmoreland. And so far, obviously, information is fresh. None of the news sites have it. So we're working with PIA agents on the ground. And we're hearing that so far, the only thing we can confirm is that 3 dead. 3 people have lost their lives, right? We will have their street names so far, right? So one of them named Butter, one named Coco, one named Hothead, right? We're hearing that multiple people, separate from those 3 individuals, were also injured, but some of those injuries include other gunshot victims. Some of them was just from obviously the stampede and the rampage as people start running up and down. You know them thing they got already. Shots start fly, people start turn left and right, all kind of foolishness go on. So in the morning, by the time this video come out, we're probably going to have a better idea as to what took place. But it's the same thing over and over again. 87s, when they're coming, anybody in the vicinity, I get caught in it. We're hearing that it was some kind of bar because there was even a female who was injured, right? I understand so a female get shot and she was a bartender. Nobody is safe. You're not after nothing. You're not after a roll with no gang. You're not after a bus no gun. You're not after a war in nobody over scamming money. You just need to dip on the spot when the wrong set of man them pull up. And next thing you know, your family is planning your funeral and them a pick out what kind of casket them are gonna put you in. Just like that. I wonder if people realize that I remember clearly when White House in Westmoreland was a nice place. Used to be a place where very family orientated, right? You have the local man, them, some man go do them fishing and all kind of things. Can't believe it. White House, we hear them kind of numbers there, but just like with Moby, right? Enough of these communities are really the scamming brought them out. The scamming brought them out because it started to spread, right? And the youth them start to make a bag of money, and you know it got already, right? Gun start buy, man start on bad man, and then you hear say who for lead sheet getting missing and who want to take with this and who not share this, and foolishness go on. Westmoreland, White House, nowhere is safe. Nowhere is safe. See, there was a time when I remember when you come from rural parts of Jamaica, people from Kingston used to laugh and say, you're a countryman. We don't know about crime, we don't know about badness, because you know, a lot of people who come from certain places in Kingston, right? Because the acidity is so embedded in their mind. Enough people from Kingston and St. Andrew and St. Catherine used to brag, say, this where most of the crime go on. Imagine that. Jamaica is a place that is so backward and acidic that people used to brag, say, go here, countryman, who not kill nobody. All who never cutlass, I don't know how we kill all of the people them. Remember them days there? But guess what? The rural place them a bust gun now too. Right? And the rural place them probably have even more rifle. Because of course you know about Moby is the second city. But you see Westmoreland, Hanover and them place there, enough of these you are the same youths them from Moby left and going to these places to go show them the rope sometime, you know. And when them when them left Moby, when them get out of Moby, them go para Westmoreland and them go para Hanover, and then them start lick edit from this, so start show them this and show them that. Them start exchange idea, start exchange and pass around the acidity like the big sea. Next thing you know, once quiet areas are now completely traumatized. Because the ugly face of badness has now turned up in some place where 10-20 years ago people know it had never reached there. So badness ugly now. I know it sounds fun when you listen to it in the songs and it looks cool when you watch it on the TV. But in a real life, there is no director standing up there talk about cut. Alright, stop the scene later so everybody sit down, have a drink, go on down the tent and cool out, we're going to shoot the next scene later. That's a movie. In a real life, there is no cut. Unless you talk about cut your life short. In a studio, producer can say, alright, stop here, so work on this and fix this back up. And in a real life, there's nothing like that. In a real life, you're a bartender at a bar, doing your job, and next thing you know, you lie down in a hospital. That's how it work in real life. And your family, I tie up them belly, and them a ball, and them dip on them knees, and fret and I pray, so you pull through. That is real life. As me say, we're now at the stage where I'm not even in another long talking with nobody. I'm just going to let people see how this thing work when it turn up. Not if it turn up, when it turn up. Because it's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time. White House, them place they broke out. Incredible. Now, as I said, it's nonsense November. We already hear all kind of stories and people are asking about what go down with the school as them. So far, I've heard the various theories, but nothing has been confirmed. So, I'm not even want to go to say it. All I know is a tragic situation. That's all I know. Very sad situation. Nobody who is, I would consider, solid and reliable hit me up yet and let me know exactly what I want. So, I don't even want to go into the details on that. But, anyway, whatever happened, sad situation. Another young youth gone. Another young youth who could have potentially become something positive in society. Real sad situation. So hopefully the authorities get to the bottom of that, because as me say, on one side where you say some kind of accident, and the next side people are saying it was something deliberate and more sinister. Hopefully we can get to them figure out actually what went down. But it's going to be very difficult because we've seen things like this happen before. And what normally happens is, if a 3, 4, 5 of them did it, then you go your 3, 4, 5 different story, because especially them know say something like one with them not fair do. So it'll go be a case of he say. But you see it work out now. Now, before I go any further, I want to speak to the men who are listening to this video right now. Not the males, but the men, because there's a difference. I hope you are realizing what is taking place in front of our very eyes. See that article that came out about the custody battle between Jody and Ferran Kenton, who is the father of a child, and the grandmother? I want you to sit back and observe what is taking place and what will take place. Don't in an argument in the woman online, don't in a comment section, especially on none of the major pages because it's majority woman. Don't in an argument, just sit back and watch. And then I want you to go listen to my video. 10 questions every fatherless Jamaican should ask their mother. I think the title of the video is Jamaica Have a Father Crisis. When you watch that video, and you will see that video is relevant now, and it will be relevant in the year 2050. You see the things that when people are talk, it's astonishing to me. You know why? Because not for the thing that them talk about, Jody and Ferran herself never have no problem with them. Because despite all of that, she and him still lie down and make the baby. But now that she's gone, women who don't know nothing about the two people in life, don't know what them they discuss, what them lie down in a bed and talk on pillow, are now trying to dictate where baby must go, because I feel them one. A lot of these women don't even know who is the father of them child. I want the man them to just observe what go on. I've been saying nobody arguing in the comment section, nobody go over on a big page and just observe what go on and take it in the video. 10 questions every Jamaican, every fatherless Jamaican should ask their mother. It's astonishing to me. It's astonishing to me. Let me explain something to someone now. When Rattus Kratos come back on road, guess what he might go back to? Him pitney them. No matter what him do, no matter what people him kill, no matter which crime he commit, he will go right back to his children then. The state can't take them away unless he did something to them. The state can't take them away. The state now go say, well, you're Rattus Kratos, a senior member of Klansman, so now you come back on road, you're going to take away pitney them. But talk about Rattus Kratos, but talk about the most vicious killers, the most vicious criminals the country's ever seen. When they come back on road, they go right back to them pitney. But now we are here say, man no forget them daughter. Where you say man broke. Where you say man did have other woman. Just observe what go on. Just take it in. It's very, very interesting. Me observe from a distance still. Cause me really want to see how this one is going to play out. And that is why I say the men them need to keep them eyes open. And also observe how this one play out, because they might think to yourself that now nothing to do with me until you return. And other people start to have a say in where your pitney, where you and the mother lie down and make end up. So that's why I beg the man them to keep them eyes and them ears open, because sometimes you might even have a woman and in a time like this she makes some speech, and if you have sense you pick up instantly what kind of woman you David, and you pick up what might happen to you down the road if you want to fall out. Anytime you see them little case that come up in the media, anything that have to do with no picnic custody or no jacket argument, nobody in an argument with no woman, just keep your eyes and your ears open. Listen, what is her attitude towards the whole custody argument? What is her attitude towards men getting jacket? If you just shut in the mouth and keep on the ears open, we'll find out what kind of woman in there with it. Right. Leave the arguing thing, bro. Right. Only for arguing and back and forth and 3 hours to arguing. Leave it alone, dog. That's feminine behavior. Just listen. Listen and you will see. Because you can't see with your ears. But enough people don't know that. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Bless.